Got a brand new Trentino outdoor grill from Char Broil. We're going to do an unboxing, but mainly this is a video for those of you that don't want to read the manual but want to put it together correctly. Stay tuned. Aside from the parts provided by Char Broil, helpful tools will be an 8mm socket, small ratchet, a Phillips screwdriver, and a knife. When you open your package, you're going to see a series of boxes, but what we're going to start off doing is locate the biggest two pieces that you can find, and we're going to put those together. This is going to be your base. On your fire pan, you're going to see 5 tubes right here. These line up with the 5 holes. You're going to get a sack of screws and nuts and whatnot. Pull that out. Go for the long ones, because that's what we're going to be dealing with first. And a Phillips screwdriver. Spin the flange off the screw. And place down the tube, positioning the hole underneath. What you're going to do is just screw on that flange while using the Phillips screwdriver to hold the screw tight. Go ahead and do that with all 4 of these screws. 4 screws on the outside, 1 in the center. Good. Go for your skinny box next. These are going to be our legs that will attach to each of the 4 corners. Reach for your last sack of screws and flanges. These are the smaller ones. And this flat base on the leg will line up with these 2 holes, and we'll pop a screw from the top, a flange from the bottom, 2 on each one. Don't tighten it all the way. Now grab the next biggest box that isn't already open, and that's going to be our hood. We're going to line up the 2 holes on each of the legs on top. These ones we want to tighten all the way up. If you have problems getting it tight, what I want you to do is grab a ratchet with an 8mm bit on it and place it on the flange to stabilize it so you can turn that screw tightly. That'll give you the nicest fit. Now once you've secured the hood to the legs on the top side, then we can go back and tighten the legs on the bottom side. I'm going to do that again with this 8mm socket and a screwdriver. After we've secured the legs from the top and the bottom, and we can place the hood on. Next we'll put this log rack on the inside. You can pull off the footies. You should only have 4 pieces left, and these are the side screens with the handle on the outside. They'll just slide into those slots. Enjoy your grill responsibly. Thanks for watching.
gonna give you a tight fit.